Hi, my name is Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a database success case study for a Middle East client. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get more information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups, family investment offices, and more. I also help clients with pitch deck reviews. If you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I will help review it. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. You can get more information on my Fiverr profile. In the past 2 years, I've helped over 190 clients with their fundraising initiatives, pitch decks, investor databases, and targeting, and more. So this video highlights how I assisted a client with a comprehensive database of Middle East investors for their fundraising initiatives. I also cover off some previous investors that I've helped with the same sort of database. So the Middle East databases I used for this client are part of my 400,000 contacts, global contacts. In this database, I used a venture capital database for the Middle East, angel investors in the Middle East, and high net worth and ultra high net worth individual investors. So this database is unique because it's a combination of corporate and institutional and individual investors for this particular purpose. So what did the final database include? Well, this database included over 49,000 investors based in the Middle East. Now this database is valid for corporate grade or institutional grade clients only. So you can contact me via my Fiverr profile and I can give you more information on that particular part of the database. So what type of contacts will benefit from a Middle East investors database like this? Startups and entrepreneurs, those looking for funding to kickstart or scale their business ventures would find direct value in connecting with potential investors, and this database has been used for that purpose before. Private equity firms and buyout groups, such firms often seek co-investors or partners for larger deals, especially if they're targeting significant acquisitions or expansions in the Middle East region. Investment banks and financial advisory firms, and they make up a very large percentage of the people that have contacted me in the previous years, not only on Fiverr but on other platforms that this database has been highlighted. These are institutions involved in deal making, M&A, advisory, or capital raising that would benefit from enhanced connections to potential financiers and investment partners. Real estate developers and syndicates, with the Middle East being a hub for luxury and large-scale real estate projects, developers would value connections to high net worth individuals and venture capital firms for funding and partnerships. Real estate developers and agents are another very large sector in the parties that purchased this database from me before. Innovation hubs and tech accelerators. These are groups fostering new tech companies or innovative solutions would find such a database helpful in matching startups with suitable investors. Individual angel investors come in many forms, and a lot of times there's not a sign hanging in front of them saying I'm an angel investor. If they're a ultra high net worth investor, the odds are that they have some involvement in angel investing, whether it's in startups or other business interests in the Middle East. And lastly, event organizers and business networking platforms. They've contacted me in the past, and those who host investment summits, business forums, or networking events in the region would benefit from inviting potential investors from this database to increase the value of the event for their attendees. Now you can get investor databases or shall I say generic databases of people who live in the Middle East or specifically Dubai, which is the real hub. But what sets this database aside is that these are high net worth and ultra high net worth contacts. You're not getting a database full of what we call salesmen and salespeople and advisors. No, this is proven investors or people that work in the capital raising sector. So again, this makes this database more targeted and more valuable for the 6 groups that are on this particular slide. So how has this database helped previous clients raise capital? This is a unique database. It is been created over the past few years and refined and refined and refined from larger data sets. There is no other database like it in the world, and I know this because I created it myself. This is not a database that I've purchased off somebody and now am recycling. I've actually been working on this database using a private website that is purely for high net worth and ultra high net worth contacts, and also for people in the Middle East looking to reach venture capital, private equity contacts. Again, there's no other database like it. There's no database that gets updated as much as this database does, usually on an annual basis. And here's a sample of recent clients that have used this database, and when I mean recent, this is in the last 2 years. One of Dubai's largest investment companies used this database to promote investment seminars. An investment bank in Dubai used this, the high net worth and ultra high net worth database to promote investment in a real estate REIT. A Dubai real estate developer used this database to promote new real estate projects. In fact, one of the largest in real estate companies and developers uses this database on a regular basis to promote new projects. A UK-based investment company promoted a hedge fund opportunity to high net worth targets, and they picked up several clients that invested anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000. A USA investment company selling a guaranteed return student rental investment development project in Seattle targeted high net worth investors. USA real estate company used the Middle East investor list to market a Florida retirement residential development and received about 20 deals, which was one of their highest performing single email blasts using an HTML marketing. Canadian real estate developer in Toronto utilized the Dubai high net worth investor database to promote a waterfront condo project, and this resulted in 15 deals, and these were properties that were over $500,000. And lastly, a Dubai real estate broker used the ultra high net worth Dubai investors list to sell luxury villas on Palm Jumeirah, and just one email blast they were able to get 12 large deals out of this for villas that cost over $1 million US. So again, this database has been proven, and that's just a small list. I have larger lists over the past few years, anecdotal success stories for this database. Are you looking for updated investor databases? I have over 400,000 verified global contacts that include venture capital, private equity. I have the largest database of family offices, that's single and multi there is. It's over 10,000 contacts. No single entity has that many in the family office sector. I also have over 35,000 angel investors, angel groups, and again, high net worth investors as part of my database. Click my Fiverr link below for more information, and thank you for watching this video.